Hello and welcome to ALW Exploration.
Yeah, I've just done a thumbnail and Dave stood on a brick just to get the height right. So this is an abandoned wagon works we're at today. We're just going to check it out. This place looks pretty big. Let's get inside and have a look. This is Chatsworth Wagon Works, which was part of the larger Scottish-owned company of Hurst, Nelson and Co. Chatsworth Wagon Works dates back to the 1850s, where it had many sidings that connected to the Midland Railway. Back in this time, there was also a large goodyards nearby, which supplied a turnover of wagons returning for service and repair. In the United Kingdom pre-1940s, all major freight moved on land was by rail, and wagon works like Chatsworth had a steady supply of orders to keep them in business. However, after the Second World War, many ex-army lorries returning from Europe were sold cheaply, and road freight haulage companies directly competed for business with the rail companies. The road hauliers could make express deliveries from factory to factory, a literal door-to-door service which the railways could not compete with. Due to this, the rail freight domination started to decline. The British government, concerned by rising operating costs, commissioned the reshaping of British railways in 1963 and the development of the major railway trunk routes in 1965, written by Dr. Richard Beeching and published by the British Railways Board. This caused major cuts in orders for railway wagons. Chatsworth Wagon Works reduced their staffing levels and eventually closed completely in 1980. After the closure, some companies leased the remaining buildings for various commercial manufacturing, but they have also abandoned this expansive works. Let's now explore the wagon works to see what history is left behind. I go through the door when you can go through the wall.
Yeah, it's nothing all the wall.
Yeah, it's a bit bashed up, isn't it?
But saying that, somebody smashed holes in the walls and everything,
Yeah.
but all the debris been cleared up. Where's all the debris from the...
Don't know. Have they thrown it out the window
Well, I don't know.
for the ultimate?
But why wouldn't
No,
you?
not
You know,
really.
if you're gonna
Well,
just wreck something.
I don't know, mate.
Let's wreck something and then tidy up after herself. Is it a new type of vandalism?
I don't know. Is it a craze? Leave a comment below. It's the end of an old machine. We believe it could have been a gantry crane, but totally stripped out. We're just going in one of the old sheds. Totally overgrown. Quite a lot of the roof's missing. Quite a cool badger on the wall. Let's catch Dave up, see where he's gone. This way somewhere. I think they might have held the power cable for the gantry crane that ran on these rails. Yeah, what's in here then, Dave?
Me?
Like you and...
Stuff. It looks like somebody's been using it as a bit of a skateboard park. Look, these
Oh yeah.
rails and whatever they call them. Stuff.
So there's the rails that the trains used to go on, then the rails there for the skateboarders. Yeah, like jump, and then skate on them. We're good at skateboarding to get on those.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So the gantry crane there, or what's left of it. See, that looked quite modern. That doesn't look that old, that one. So it's got this stuff on it. It's like caterpillar track stuff. I still fit this stuff now. (2011). Yeah, there's all like the Kingspan cladding that's been used for something. It's all just dumped everywhere, big sheets of it.
The only thing I can think that these were is if it was a train works, I think they would have had a paint shop and these would have been sites at paint booth.
Right, so they're nothing to do with the train.
Well,
Or
it would have
trains.
been a booth that they drove the
Yeah.
train into, carriage into whatever to paint it.
Yeah, not actually anything to do with railways,
no.
just spray booth.
Just a spray booth.
So even those aren't interesting.
I think that's what they are.
Yeah. Oh well, they're not all going to be like RAF Luton, are they?
Oh, well, that was a place to go to.
It's a place and a half, that, innit?
Yeah.
And no one's been, apart from us, of course. These buildings have asbestos roofs. Access to roofs must not be made without authority or use the suitable crawling boards. Okie dokie. What we going on the roof then today, folk? Oh, it was a monkey.
And then
Oh yeah?
and then I photographed it and I thought, actually,
That's quite clever, that.
it's got a face in it as well.
Yeah? Check out Dave's Instagram. That's quite clever, that.
It is clever.
Yeah, that's quite cool. How long do you reckon this has been shut then, Dave? 30 years?
30 years.
Yeah. Well, we're in England at the minute, and it rains a lot here, and it's winter, and it's raining. So,
What is it?
what's what? It's a crazy skull. So this is the abandoned railway works. It's got loads of trees and some graffiti in it. Some smashed fuse holders. That looks old. Still works. No way. So we've got merch now. This is what it looks like. This is one of the hoodies. These are £35. The fruit with the loom. They're really comfy actually, and yeah, you can order them on alwexploration.co.uk. Send the size that you want, PayPal me the money, and want a hoodie like this will be yours. You'll get a new one, not this one. Sing us a song, Dave.
Don't know any.
Yeah, you do.
I don't know any clean ones.
Alright, non-suitable for YouTube.
Yeah, not suitable for your mum's auntie. No.
Just change all the swear words to Ian.
Oh no.
And you shine the light straight at the camera. You turn your camera, turn your light away. That's better.
That better.
And action.
Oh, I'm gonna shy now.
You're never shy.
It's just funny, isn't it? You put somebody at the spot and you go brain dead.
Oh, I do that all the
Normally,
time.
I can come out with all sorts of dribble,
Yeah.
but
Well,
when you put in the limelight, you just like, what do
Yeah.
I say?
yeah, I don't know any songs to be honest. No. Only Maclad ones, but I can't really sing them.
No, but they
Leave them
can
to
make
Motley.
well seem reet. No, but they can turn dark to leet. No, but they and the allowance can thrill me like that does. Then I'll see the anybody who knows what that song is, and it was originally done by the Platters, but that's the Yorkshire version. So there you go.
Leave a comment below if you know what that is, because I don't, and I'm stood here. What's in here then, Dave? Is it all really exciting, or is it, no, it's just some old junk?
Yeah.
That looks like the thing that they pull out at football stands. Football grounds, you know, when the team come out. I said that totally wrong. You know what I mean? When all the ones with poncy hair and new shorts and new t-shirts come running out on like 150 grand a week types, they all drive Bentleys. Footballers, that's it. They all run through a tunnel like this. Yeah. So what's these wooden things?
I don't know.
No.
But they're obviously for something cylindrical. Even by the shape of it, you see.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
it's for something to sit in. I don't know.
What do you guys at home think?
Only thing I can think of is rolls of paper for printers. They'd be about that size to sit in one of them.
Carpet?
Carpets, no, a bit too wide for carpets.
No.
You don't get big rolls of carpet like that.
No. No.
There'd be
Leave a
big
comment if you know.
carpet
If you used to work here. This is, where are we? I don't even know where we are. Sheffield?
Chesterfield.
Chesterfield, we're in Chesterfield. Midland Wagon works in Chesterfield. Yeah, if you used to work here, leave a comment below. Tell us what those are about. And if you've got any pictures of what this was when it was open, yeah, put them on Instagram for everyone to see. Or DM them to me and I'll put them up on your behalf and I'll credit you. I'll always credit people who send me stuff, so if you want to send me anything, just my email is in the YouTube in the About section, and you can DM me on Instagram, ALW Exploration on Instagram. What's that going to be?
I don't know.
Is it a fuzzy bear?
You see there again, it looks totally different in photograph than it does on thing.
Yeah.
It's
It's a strange one, isn't it?
yeah. I've got good imagination of these people, that's all I can say.
Yeah. Yeah, there's wooden things again laid out in a row.
There, look.
Yeah.
Could have been oak, like anything roller shaped.
Yes.
Yeah.
And into the trees.
Hey, if you go down to the woods today,
You'll find an old building with not much in it.
I don't think you're in for the surprise.
No.
There's railway lines there, so obviously something went in, carriages went in, but the thing is,
Yeah, the line stopped. It's
the
all.
line stopped there and there's a track here.
Yeah.
So, were they for the short goods type trucks, you know, like coal trucks?
They called it wagon works, didn't they?
They could come off of here onto a
Yeah, be turned and lifted and took away.
and took away that way.
Yeah, they called it wagon works, didn't they? They didn't call it carriage work, just wagons.
Wagons.
And nobody
they-
uses wagons anymore, do they? So that's probably why it's gone bust so quick.
Yeah.
Because even the power stations started using like the big metal ones with the chutes in the bottom,
Did.
not the wooden type ones like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look at the apex, the roof is made out of wood, so that building's a lot older than it looks. So this is the abandoned wagon works. I hope you've enjoyed this video. There isn't a lot here to show you, I'm afraid, but please check out my other videos. We've got new stuff every Tuesday and Thursday, 8 PM UK time. Check those out. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.
Looking over my shoulder, looking back at your door. In my head it goes over and over. Should I leave or want it more? Looking